Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and today we're going to talk about social listening tools in 2019. Now you might wonder, what is a social listening tool, Tim? We all have our social media accounts, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, wherever. The thing is, with so many social media networks all around the place, it's difficult to keep track of everything that's going on. Everyone who is talking about you, everyone who's doing some stuff. You want to be always in the know on what's going on. What are people talking about you? Because this is a really great source of intelligence. You want to know if someone is really unhappy so you can reach out to them and make this work. You want to know if someone is really excited so you can reach out to them and reward them for sharing this great news about you. So encourage them to share more positive stuff about your company. Now here's a great tool. They're called social listening tools, and I can put a couple of links in the description if you want to check them out. They basically scan the different social media networks, and they are scanning for certain keywords. For example, that might be your brand name or your social media handle, or it might be a certain combination of social media handle and certain keywords or certain hashtags. And this basically allows you to filter out the messages that are where people talking about your business. Now, sometimes you get the situation that a handle is used in different countries for different things, but you can use filters to filter those out. So you find the mentions that are really relevant to your business. And then you have usually the opportunity to respond to those posts right there and then in the interface. Or you can click on this, open a post on Twitter, open a post on LinkedIn, on Facebook, wherever it is, and you can instantly reply. If someone is crying out for help, ask them to contact your support team. Make it easy for them. Show that you care. If someone is really upset about something, it's not that they are permanently upset, it's just they're upset in the moment. But you can fix that by replying quickly and acting quickly and making it right. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of social media listening tools? Are you using them yourself in your business? And make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get marketing strategy videos right in your inbox.